Another tool in Portrait is BodyAI. It's automatically detected the body of the person as and shape the change and abdomen. We have just to slide it here. Look at this. Change the shape. Yeah, it's make it thinner or fatter body. Interesting. Nice. And for abdomen, yeah, you can make it slimmer or fatter abdomen. That's it. Let's try with another image that has a background. This person going to portrait body. Let's shape the shape. As you can see, it's automatically detected the environment and it does not change at all and just change the body of the person. Abdomen, interesting. Or you can make it fatter. Nice. It's automatically detected the body and does not change the environment. Okay, this tool is very easy. With 2 sliders, you can change overall body. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.